Hello and welcome to Pop Along RC. We are here at the MTC Clubman's for round 7 at West Bridgeford Model Car Club. Today is the first real test for the brand new Carten M210F 23. Hopefully you've seen a video of that, and it's my opportunity to give it a run out on the track today. Having a quick look at the track, it's super tight, super technical, so it's going to be a real challenge. Here it is then, the M210F, doing all right today. Started out the day, I was running a brand new set of tyres, which they weren't quite right, so I was a bit slippery. Only 17 laps in round 1, jumped up to 19 laps in round 2, and I've actually managed to sit on pole by getting 20 laps in the third round. So I'm on pole for the first of the 3 finals today, which should be quite good. So this car is performing extremely well for its very first outing. I'm here with Max, and he's going to tell us a little bit about the club. So, what club are we at today?
We're at West Bridgeford Model Car Club, and it's a long-standing club, biggest one in the area. We started in 1989, so we've been going about 33 years, and I think we're at about our third venue.
Third venue.
Yeah.
And how have the race classes changed over the years?
We've always had the off-road buggies. That's been a standard all the way through, and we do a lot of on-road as well. And they've changed. They probably came in through the 90s and the noughties, where we've seen different classes of on-road. Right up to what we're doing today, we're doing the MTCs today. So Friday nights when we do our club nights, you'll get a multi-format meeting. We'll do the on-roads, which is going to be the minis, MTCs, touring cars, everything. And then we've also got the off-road buggies, and we'll be doing 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive electric buggies. So it won't be a flat track like we see here today. We've got ramps, and we're going to put those out for the buggies as well.
Excellent stuff. So you have, do you have an outdoor season, indoor season? Is everything done here?
We do. No, we've got 2 tracks. We've got this track here, but we've also got a track over at Bingham. That's a pure off-road track, purpose-built off-road track, AstroTurf. So we've got the 2 venues, but we've also here, apart from the Friday night venue, apart from the MTCs that we're doing here today, we've got our Buggy Blitz series, which we run through the winter, and as the name implies, that is pure buggies. So it's a level up from club racing, and fetches a high standard of drivers from across the country, and again doing 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive.
Okay, so I am here with Anthony. Me and you were having a cracking battle on the track out there.
It was good. I did enjoy it. It was pretty close racing, that, to be honest.
So
Nip and
in
tuck all the way.
was it round 2?
Yeah.
I rolled it at the end, and you took the lead.
I got
and
past
then
you.
the next round, I just pictured to the post.
Yeah, it was close.
But it was very
It
close.
kept swapping. I enjoyed that. It was close racing. So
And that's what it's all about. We always say on the channel we prefer close racing than super fast. So, but what car is it you're running today then?
it's an Express 2-wheel drive Frontie.
So a 21.5 turn, which is what you need to run for the Frontie class, isn't it?
Yep.
So, and how long have you been running this car for?
I probably built that on about a year and a half ago. So this is upgraded from the kit version. Obviously, it's got all the blingy bits on it, and you don't need to buy it all, but I liked it, so I did it. So.
Cool. So something like that then, this is the Express version of the Frontie.
Yeah.
How much are we looking at to get that on the road?
A standard kit, I think, will only cost you about 150 quid. That one, I have probably spent, just the car itself, probably over 500 quid, 600 quid.
Wow. It does look very nice.
It's got all the upgraded metal carriers. This is actually a 4-wheel drive car. I've converted into a 2-wheel drive car.
Okay,
Changed the chassis.
So how much is to convert from a 4-wheel drive to 2-wheel drive? How much are we looking to do that then for people out there that have got a 4-wheel drive and want to make the transition?
I suppose you're probably talking a couple hundred quid doing it that way.
Wow.
I did it that way because I wanted all the metal bits on it. So it might be cheaper just to buy a Frontie car that what's the composite chassis, and then upgrade it yourself to put the metal chassis on it and bling it up as you want. Needs a clean, obviously, to just put out racing.
Okay, so I'm here with Matt. So what is it you're running there today?
It's the Carten M210 Evo 2023 chassis. So it's the latest chassis that Carten releases. It's going really well today actually. I've just got FTQ and just finished first in the first A final. So yeah, I've got 2 more finals to go. Hopefully I can keep the momentum going and carry on.
Awesome stuff. So how long have you been running these cars for?
I've been racing M series or mini touring cars for about 7 years now. Yeah.
Wow, 7 years. So you've pretty much got it down. As you're aware, I am running the Frontie today, which is the Frontie version of this.
Yeah.
How are you getting on with that car?
Well, yeah, you're running my car, so yeah, it's an awesome car. I designed it again, helped design it with Andy, and it's really taking off now. We're at the point of releasing the car. It's fast, it's competitive, it's cheap. We've designed it out of GRP, which is sort of interesting. The fact that many people are wondering about carbon fibre, but GRP is actually it's stronger, it's cheaper, and therefore we can release the car at a cheaper price, which makes it more competitively priced.
And do you know what? Saying competitive, I've been having some fantastic battles on the track
I've been watching
today, and I've actually won. I'm in the B final, but I've won the first and the second round. I've got 1 round to go, so I better get prepped up anyway. But
Yeah.
thanks for talking with us today.
No worries.
little bit worse for wear now. It has definitely seen the racetrack. What a great day. So really pleased with how this car has handled and how it's performed on the track. Managed to get first in leg 1, first in leg 2, and in the final leg Anthony got the better of me and I ended up second. But I think I take the B final podium. I take the top spot in the B final overall. So really pleased with the car. Some absolutely fantastic racing with Anthony today. Literally we were trying to share the same bit of track for much of the third leg, and yeah, he got the better of me in the end. But you know what, great fun was had.